Welcome to my channel. How to log in Asus router admin panel. 1. Power on the router. Ensure your Asus router is connected to a power source and turned on. 2. Connect your device to the router. Use a smartphone, tablet, or computer and connect it to the router's Wi-Fi network. You can also connect via an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. 3. Open a web browser. Launch any web browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari on your connected device. 4. Enter the router's IP address. Type 192.168.1.1 or router.asus.com into the browser's address bar and press enter. This will take you to the login page. Five. Access the login page. Wait for the Asus router login page to load. If it doesn't, check your device's network connection. 6. Enter default credentials. Enter the default username and password. These are usually both admin, but you can find them on the label under your router. 7. Change default credentials. For security reasons, update the default username and password after logging in. Go to the Administration section to make changes. 8. Explore settings. Use the admin panel to configure settings such as Wi-Fi name, SSID, password, parental controls, or firmware updates. 9. Save changes and log out. Save any changes you make and log out from the admin panel once you're done. Thank you for watching.